In case of merit system, he will get 120% of the piece rate. So piece rate is 22.5 plus 20% extra, that is 4.5, that comes to 27 rupees. Number of units he has manufactured is 108 units. 108 units into 27 rupees. That comes to 108 into 27 rupees. That comes to 2,916. 2,916. This is the wages for B. That is normal wage as well as including the bonus will be 2,916 for the entire week. The third person is tailor system. Tailor system, we have only two category, that is less than 83% and anybody, 99%, and anybody who is more than or equal to 100%. So what is the wage rate for 99% kinta? 99% ಅಥವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ 83% of the normal rate he gets. This is 100%, so he will get 125% of the normal rate. Normal rate is how much? Tailor system ಅಲ್ಲಿ normal rate is 22 rupees 50 paise. So 22 rupees normal 100% rate ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದು is equal to 22 rupees 50 paise. He will get 25% extra plus 25% of 22 rupees 50 paise. So 22.5 multiplied by 125%, where gives you 28.125. That is 22.5 into 25% ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5.625 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I will write down 5.625. 5.625 ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 28.125. 25.125 is the per unit. ಎಷ್ಟು manufacture ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ C? C has manufactured exactly 96 units. So 96 multiplied by 28.125. This is the payment for C. So total amount what C will get is 96 multiplied by 28.125. That gives you exactly 2,700. This is the amount which is paid to C. So we have calculated A using Emerson's formula, B using Merrick's formula, C using Taylor's differential piece rate system. So let's now move to next problem. With Halsey and Rowan systems. Before I move to Halsey and Rowan, I need to explain you what is a Halsey premium bonus plan. So this is fourth type of wage system, that is premium bonus method. So write down, I'm going to erase the board for you. I will use this side of the portion rather. First let me give you the formula for Halsey and Rowan plan, and then we'll solve some of the problems. So Halsey plan, first and foremost premium bonus plan is Halsey plan. Fourth type of plan, that is premium bonus plan. Methods, or I'll write methods. Under this Halsey plan, a very old plan it is. The person who prepared it was name was Halsey, so that is the reason it is Halsey plan it is called. The wages, how do you calculate under this? Wages is equal to time taken multiplied by time rate. Time rate plus 50% of time saved into time rate. is the bonus. First portion is the wages, time taken into time rate. Second portion is the bonus, 50% of the time saved. And then ನಾನು 2 ತಾಸು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ತಾಸು I get paid for. So that's how it is for Halsey plan. The second one is Rowan plan. This plan was not very popular in the sense the person who was paying, he felt he's been paying more and more and more every time, and there is no limit for savings. The person is like working on a different standard altogether. That means here there is no cap for bonus payment. Next, Rowan came up with a revision in this particular plan, which is called Rowan Premium Plan. What does Rowan Premium Plan say? In this case, wages is equal to time taken into time rate. ಅದು ಮೇಲಿನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ. Time taken into time rate ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಬೋನಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ he separately calculated it. How he calculated the bonus? Bonus was separated with a fraction. That is, he used a ratio. What was the ratio? It was plus time taken, actual time taken divided by standard time allowed or standard time into time saved into rate per hour or time rate anta ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು. I will write time rate only. So illen bantu, there is a ratio. Time taken divided by standard time was the ratio which is multiplied with the time saved, and then you multiply with the time rate. So the bonus had a cap here now. Cap ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಬೋನಸ್ಗೆ. ಒಂದು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ತನಕ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೀವು ಬೋನಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ you will not be able to pay extra bonus. This is the second type of premium plan. There is one more third one which is not very famous, however, but still you should know. It is a Barth system. A Barth system. Earnings, in this case, earnings is equal to hourly rate is multiplied by standard hours into actual hours work into hours work. Can you see it? I'm not too sure whether you did. I'll write it more. Hourly rate equal to hourly rate is multiplied by standard hours into actual hours. So standard hours into actual hours. This is what is the Barth system. That is, you multiply standard hours into actual hours and you get a square root, and you multiply it with the hourly number of hours you have, hourly rate what you have already calculated. So this is the Barth system which is used in some of the organization. However, for your examination, I have not seen any problem asking for the Barth system calculation. So these are three different types for premium bonus method. There is group bonus schemes also, Scanlon, Drucker, Nunn-Bush plan. It's all there in my in the study material. If you see, we have already given you. Please have a look at it. I'm not solving any problem with respect to them, but then they are handy. You can see, read it and understand what they all mean. You can read it along with the module what you have from your institute. So let's now look into the Rowan and Halsey plan problem. The first problem, look at the information. You should always remember how it is calculated. Wages is calculated under the, incentive is calculated under the Halsey and the Rowan plan. The first problem which we have for Halsey and Rowan plan is problem number 25. number 26. Halsey and Rowan plan. This particular problem is a very famous problem. It was asked almost 4 times. May 1995, November 1998, May 2008 and May 2011. The same problem was asked 4 times in the previous examinations. So till for the past many years they have asked it. I'm not too sure previously last year whether they had asked for, I have not checked it out. But anyway, this was asked 4 times. So you can look into this particular problem. You are given the following information of worker X. Worker X worked 9 hours a day. So every day, how many hours he works? 9 hours he works. You are ticket number 002. This is the job he is doing. Work, when did he start? 1st of April he started at 8 o'clock in the morning, 8 a.m. And when did he finish? He finished on 5th, 12 a.m. So normally he starts work at 8 o'clock in the morning and he works for 9 hours. And that day on 5th April, he finished the work at 12 o'clock in the afternoon only. So that on 5th of April, he has worked only for 4 hours. 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th of 4 days of April, he has worked all 9 hours. And on 5th of April, he has worked only 4 hours. Work allotted. How much is the work allotted? He was given to work production of 2,160 units. Work done and approved. How much he has done? He has worked 2,000 units he has worked. Time and units allowed. Number of time, whatever he has taken, for that, for every hour, he is supposed to produce 40 units. 40 unit. Time and units allowed every hour is 40 units per hour. Wage rate. What is the wage rate? Wage rate is given 25 rupees per hour. Bonus is they themselves have given. They have given 40% of the time saved is the bonus which is given. That's what they have already given to you. You are required to calculate the remuneration of the workers on the following basis. Halsey plan and Rowan plan. Both way you need to calculate how much is the total amount of wages what has to be paid for both of them. And the next question is, we have to find out whether bonus of 40% of the time saved, is it better or not, rather than we go for a Halsey or a Rowan, or like rather than 40% of the time saved. If that, shall we go with the 40%? That's what they are asking for. So let's look at how many hours he has worked, how much is the standard output he should have given for the number of hours worked. So let's calculate the hours he should have taken for the output. He has produced how many units? 2,000 units for all the hours he has worked from 1st April to 5th of April. So let's calculate how many hours he has worked and also how many units he has worked. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Because that's how we time taken we need and time saved also we need. Okay. Standard time he should have taken for the number of units. Look at the units. Work done and approved. Work done, how much? How many units he has produced? He has produced 2,000 units. So based on that, let's find out number of hours he should have taken. So standard time for actual output. Actual output. So how do you calculate? Standard time is equal to 40 units per hour and actual output is equal to 2,000 units. Therefore, standard time for actual output equal to 2000 divided by 40. 2000 divided by 40 units per hour. That will give me 50 hours. Now I know standard hours is 50 hours. ಈ ಇವನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಈ 2000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ. So on first of this is first calculation. Second calculation, actual hours worked. So 1st April he has worked at 8 a.m. 8 a.m. in the 9 hours he has worked. On 2nd April, again full he has worked 9 hours. Then 3rd April, full 9 hours. 4th April, full 9 hours. And 5th April. 5th April, 8 to 12 noon he has worked. So it is has worked for only 4 hours. Totally 9 4s are 36 plus 4, 40 hours he has worked. Actual hours worked is equal to 40 hours. So how much is the time he has saved in producing 2000 hours? 50 hours minus 10 hours. So third calculation is time saved. Time saved is equal to 50 hours. How do you calculate? Standard time minus actual time. Actual time. Standard time is equal to 50 minus 40, which is equal to 10 hours. This is what he has saved. Let's now calculate the total computation of the total wages, how he is supposed to pay under Halsey and Rowan. First we will calculate as per Halsey and next as per Rowan plan. First is Halsey plan. Halsey plan. Halsey plan, wages is equal to, there it is, time taken into time rate. Time taken into time rate plus 50% of time saved multiplied by time rate. So time taken is how much? 40 hours multiplied by what is the time rate per hour he is supposed to pay, get paid. Have they given per hour? Yes, wage rate or kottibidare 25 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಂತ. So multiply that with 40 into 40 hours into 25 rupees plus 50% of 10. Time saved is 10 hours. 10 hours. So time 50% of 10 into 25 rupees. So this is equal to 25 4s are 100. So this is 1000 plus 50% of 10 is 5. 5 into 25 is 125. So total wages is equal to 1125 under Halsey plan. Under Halsey plan, it is 1125. Let's look into the next plan, that is Rowan plan. Second one, Rowan plan. Rowan plan, look at it. Wages is equal to, here there, time taken multiplied by time rate plus time taken divided by standard time into time saved into time rate. So how time taken is 40 hours multiplied by time rate is 25 plus time taken 40 divided by standard time 50 multiplied by standard time saved time. Time saved is 10 into 25 rupees is the rate. So 40 into 25, which is 1000 plus this 1010 gone, 5 ones are 5 8s are. 25 into 8 will be 200. So this is equal to 1200. This is wages under Rowan plan. 1200. This is how we need. In the question, what they have given is Halsey plan. In this question, they have said bonus is at 40% of the time saved. 40% of the time saved. So they have calculated how much is the bonus which is given to him. It is given to what is given to him. They have asked, you are required to calculate the Halsey plan and Rowan plan. Halsey plan and Rowan plan we have already done. Let's look into what is bonus which is paid to him. So actual bonus, what calculation we need to do. So bonus, what is they have calculated is, bonus is equal to 40% of the time saved. So time saved is 10 in 10 hours, 10 hours into 40%. 40% is 4 hours. This is equal to 4 hours into 25 rupees is equal to 100. So actually how much is getting paid? Is getting paid 1000 rupees plus 100, which is 1100. So the present case, what they are paying is 1100. If they follow Halsey plan, it will be 1125, and if they follow Rowan plan, it will be 1200. Which would be the best actually? You can, they have not asked it here. However, you can suggest them which is the best. Going as per the plan, 40% is the best actually to pay less bonus. However, that should not hinder the performance of the worker. So you should be very careful when you are paying the bonus to people. You should always make sure that you don't actually discourage them from saving the time. You should encourage them to save the time. I would rather suggest Halsey plan wherein it is not more or it is not high or low. It is in between 1000, 125. So let's move to the next one. Next question we have. When will a worker earn equal wages under Halsey plan and Rowan scheme? Between Halsey plan and Rowan plan, and at what stage both will be, like Halsey plan also total wages will be same, Rowan plan also total wages will be same. When? That's what they are asking. So write down the answer in this case. In this case, if there is no time saved, there is zero time saved, no time saved only. Time taken is 10, standard time is also 10. There is no time saved, 0. That means time saved will become 0. 0 adaga, whatever wages is paid under Halsey plan and Rowan plan, both are same. So the answer is under first situation. Situation 1, when time saved is equal to 0. Wages under Halsey plan and Rowan plan both will be same. There will be no change to when with respect to wages under Halsey plan or Rowan plan when time saved is equal to 0. What is the second situation when both will be same? When actual time is equal to, when actual time is exactly equal to time saved, that is half. Andre 8 ತಾಸಿನ ಕೆಲಸ 4 ತಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ both will be same. That means when, this is second situation, when actual time is equal to time saved, is equal to time saved. Andre he should have worked in half of standard time. ಅರ್ಧ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಗಿಂತ ಅರ್ಧ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ Halsey plan ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮತ್ತೆ Rowan plan ಪ್ರಕಾರ when you calculate your wages, both will be same. There will be no difference between the two different wages under the different plans. Both will be same. So you should always remember, when there is time saved is 0, the plan, whatever wages you calculate under Halsey plan and Rowan plan, both will be same. And whenever there is actual time is equivalent to time saved, then also the wages under the Halsey plan and the Rowan plan both will be same. So let's now go forward with the next question. A comparative analysis we have. A time allowed for a job is 8 hours. Hourly rate is 8. I want you to do this actually, this problem. A very interesting problem it is. It is a problem. I will show you how to solve it. Like, I will tell you, you should have a columnar. I will start the problem for you and the rest you do it by yourself. Probably you will get the answer for this also. Adri hindiನ question answer ittala adukku nimge answer ee question sikkudutte. Then both the pages under Halsey and Rowan will be same. Na table ಹಾಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Very easy it is. You need to have a comparative statement. That's what they are asking. Comparative analysis between the Halsey and Rowan plan. So how many hours time allowed for a job is 8 hours. So we'll solve a situation wherein standard hours is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All 8 hours we need to take. And every time you are saving 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, till 7 we can save, not more than that. We cannot actually save more than, you cannot save within full 8 hours. That is just impossible. So I will write down here its particular. Here 8 hours. Sorry, this is a situation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more, 8 situations. These are the various situation comparative analysis you can do. Oh, you are able to see it or not? No. Let me do it on the other side of the board only. ಮೇಲೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 8 ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. 8 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ 8 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು you need to have under particulars. I will tell you what all you need to have. First is actual hours worked. Whatever hours you are working will has to be there. The actual time. Or you can start with the standard hours, whatever you want to take. So let's take the actual time, which is work. Actual time, then standard time, then time saved. Ish barkobeku. So enen barkobeku? Standard time. First is actual time, then below is the standard time, and standard time. Third one is time saved. That is, third portion is time saved. Next is basic wages, how much you are paying. Next will be basic wages. Basic wages will be number of hours into how many hours you are working. That will be the wages. Next is bonus under Halsey and bonus under Halsey and bonus under Rowan. Iveಎರಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Then total wages under Halsey and total wages under Rowan. So total earnings under Halsey and total earnings under Rowan. Even ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So if you solve these many columns steps under the same table, you will probably get all the information. Rest what they are asking is, they are asking you to calculate hourly rate under Halsey and Rowan plan. So what you can do is, you can, whatever earnings you are getting, earnings divided by number of actual time what they have worked. So earnings divided by actual hours for Halsey and for Rowan you need to do. Earnings divided by actual hours. You will get, you can do a comparative analysis of both the plans. You can do the comparative analysis of both the plans. Idರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ? ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ actual time, standard time, time saved, Basic wages, bonus as per Halsey, bonus as per Rowan. Basic wages ಗೆ Halsey ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ Halsey earnings ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Basic wages ಗೆ Rowan bonus ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ earnings of Rowan ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Earnings of Rowan, Halsey divided by actual time will give you earnings per hour for Halsey, and earnings divided by actual hours of Rowan will give you the Rowan per rate per hour for Rowan plan. So both you can do the calculation and create a tabular form. This is the comparative analysis. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು you have to do this. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ two stages you will find. Two stages you will come across when earnings of Halsey and Rowan both are same. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ there is time saved is 0. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷನು 1 hour he has not saved. ಅವಾಗೂ the earnings of Halsey and Rowan will be same. And when it will be same again, when they are saving actual time work is equal to time saved. ಅವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಎರಡು earnings same ಇರುತ್ತೆ in both the cases. You can do a comparison of both of them, work out both of them and check it out how it look like. ಎರಡರದ್ದು ನೀವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ if you draw the row Halsey plan ಈ ತರ increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. bonus under Halsey plan it will keep increasing, whereas Rowan plan ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಹೀಗೆ increase ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ decrease. ಅಂದ್ರೆ there will be a point where they will meet when the time saved is equal to 0. ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And when there is time saved is equal to actual time taken, both are same, which is nothing but half of standard time. ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ it will be same. So this is how it will look like if you calculate, if you draw up the diagram for both of them. The Halsey plan will look like this and the Rowan plan will ಒಂದು ಮೇಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು Rowan plan. ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನೀವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. If you are not able to solve it, let me know. ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ if you want. But I think I want you to solve it because it's a very interesting problem where you can get the hang of both. At what stages both will be same. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. This is how it will look like. Okay. Let's now move to next part of labor. Problems. Now we have one problem, very unique problem. It was asked in twice. 10 ವರ್ಷದ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ CA ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Rowan and Halsey plan using simultaneous equation method. ನವೆಂಬರ್ 1997 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದವರು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅವೇ ಮತ್ತೆ 2007 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. Twice they have asked. It's a very interesting problem where two workers are there. I will read out the problem for you. Two workers A and B produce the same product using the same material. Their normal wage rate is also the same. So ಇಬ್ಬರದು wage rate same ಇದೆ. ಇಬ್ಬರು same type of material ನೇ produce, same product produce ಮಾಡೋದು. A is paid bonus according to Rowan plan, while B is paid according to Halsey plan. The time allowed to make the product is 50 hours. So ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಇಸ್ 50 hours. A has taken time how much? 30 hours ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅದನ್ನ. A takes 30 hours, B takes 40 hours to complete the product. The factory overhead rate is 5 per person. 5 per person hour actually worked. So ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ತಾಸು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನೋ ಅದು ಇಂಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ 5 will be my factory overhead. Factory cost of the product manufactured by A is 3,490. So factory cost ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Factory cost ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Material ಬರುತ್ತೆ, labor ಬರುತ್ತೆ, production overhead ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So material and labor will give me prime cost. ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಓವರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಟಿಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ? For A it is 3,490, whereas for the product manufactured by B it is 3,600. So what is the factory cost for B? It is 3,600. What you are now required to do? You are required to compute the normal rate of wages and the cost of material. So wages ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ, ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನೀವೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. That's what they are asking. And prepare a statement comparing the factory cost of product of product as made by both the two workers. So you need to compare it. So very you need to ee tara information iddaga yavaglu ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ದಾಗ, you remember we solved one problem with respect to cost sheet. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. what they had given you is sales ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, 50% of the cost is material, 30% is labor and 20% is overhead ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. You remember we solved this problem using simultaneous equation method. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನು ಅದೇ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You need to find out how much is the labor for both, labor cost for both of them using a algebraic term, and then calculate, get two equations and calculate the material and labor cost. So let's solve this problem. I will clean up the board for you because I would need the entire board. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ರೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ per hour ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್, ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. So what we don't know is only time rate. So time rate is the question which we need to find out. We have to arrive at time rate paid for A as well as B. For A and B ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ? A is paid as per Rowan plan, B is paid as per Halsey plan. So using that information we will use ಒಂದು algebraic equation ತಗೋಣ. let the cost be x, let the sales unit be y ಅಂತ ಹೀಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ತರನೇ we need to find out, use some algebraic equation and calculate how much is the labor cost for A and B. Material cost same irutte eradukku, so not to worry. So let's calculate the wage rate. Let's assume the wage rate be x. Let the wage rate be x. So what is the wage rate? It is paid x rupees per hour. Okay, x rupees per hour. This is what is paid.